Hey, what's up, guys? Tyrone Gregory here from the actionfromsquareone.com blog. And in this video series, I am going to be talking to you about your taxes. So amongst the many hats that I wear as a serial entrepreneur, one of them is being that of a tax professional. But not only do I prepare taxes, I actually teach one of the best income tax courses out there for one of the largest retail tax preparation companies in the nation. And on top of that, I also manage an office full of tax professionals and work with some of the greatest tax professionals there are out there. So I am heavily involved in the day-to-day aspect of income taxes, which allows me firsthand to see just how not knowing or not being prepared can have a very detrimental impact on one's finances and ultimately their lives. And that's why I wanted to put together this video series to help you better understand and help you be better prepared so you can be champions when it comes to your income taxes. But before we get into the tips and tricks that I'm going to share with you today, let me make this statement. If you owe large amounts of money come tax time, if you get upset because you don't receive a refund, if you get excited about receiving a refund, or even if you depend on a refund in any way, then you, my friend, are a fuck. And here's why I say that. The IRS has but one goal for every person that files a tax return, and that is for the end result of the tax return to be zero. Yes, zero. That means that they owe you nothing and you owe them nothing. Yet every year, millions upon millions of people bet more than they should on their tax return. I've seen people forego paying rent, paying their mortgage, want to go Christmas shopping, all with the anticipation that they're going to receive this huge refund at the end of the year. But then guess what? Tax law changes, credits are removed, taxes are increased. And when they file their taxes, that huge refund that they were anticipating doesn't happen. And now they're facing evictions, foreclosures, credit card debt, a multitude of things that results on people depending on their federal income tax. Let's think about the concept of a refund. 9 times out of 10 is this scenario. You're going to give the government money throughout the year and say, here, hold this, and give it back to me at the end of the year. And they happily do so. The only thing is when they give their money back to you, they give it back to you interest-free. That means your money did nothing for you, but they held it and did something great with it. But that's what you want to do. You want to hold on to your money and do something great with it. Put that extra money into an interest-bearing account. Invest it. Invest in yourself. Take a vacation. It's your money. Do not give it to our government to have them hold it for a year and just give it back to you at the end of the year. That is what I'm going to talk about in the video series. How do we avoid that? How do we best maximize our taxes? Understanding taxes. So without further ado, without me running my mouth anymore, let us go ahead and get to it. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do so you can be champs at the game of income tax.